just arrived to
Campuhan Ridge Walk. So
Yes.
now we will have a morning walk actually to
Very
wake
early
Damian
morning.
up, still sleepy.
6:45.
Yeah, it's 6:45 around. So yeah, we need to do, you know, a little bit more exercise because we eat sweets and we eat nasi, quite lots of nasi. For me, yesterday,
Talk
Damian.
about yourself. Yeah, let's go to the Campuhan Walk. We will see this is the one of the most iconic places in Ubud, especially perfect for morning walk. Yeah, so we will show you this one, another one, very famous spot, and then will be obviously the hotel tour, yeah?
Can you hear the sound of the river? So peaceful.
Yeah, the
and
river is
relaxing.
here. Oh, there.
And also
There.
there.
Honey, are you tired?
Oh my god. Long time no exercise. Oh my god.
It's beautiful morning.
Yeah, let's see on the top and then we will be back.
We will show you how it looks, but basically that's how it looks, the Campuhan Road, Campuhan Walk. It's like an old path built through Ubud downtown, actually through the jungle, forest and rice fields. Quite long time ago actually. I don't know history about Campuhan Road. Probably you can Google about it. Yeah, however, beautiful but quite tiring, right?
It's tiring because we didn't get used to with the morning walk exercise. So
Yeah, and you can also cycling here. Alright, we just arrived to the, let's say, to the top of the Campuhan Ridge Walk. People cycling over here by the way. But everybody are tired, that's normal thing, not only me, so I feel already much more motivated. However, this Ridge Walk, it's 12 kilometers long, so it's quite...
until, what is that? That's the finish line over
finish
there.
line, and there is the another villa complex and the estate hotels. Anyway, it's a beautiful place to be at the morning before it's very hot. Actually, already it's hot to be honest, but yeah, anyway, at morning.
Or at sunset time.
Sunset
like
time is
very
also
late
great.
afternoon.
It's quite many people coming here every morning, as you can see right now. Many people making pictures. We are just vloggers, so for us it's different. No Instagram pictures, right?
Yeah,
You wanna have Instagram picture, honey?
I know.
Yeah. You are tired?
Yeah, let's go back.
Okay, so we're gonna go back.
I
Anyway.
wanna have a breakfast though.
Yeah, let's have a breakfast, but before that let's show one more thing what you can do at Ubud, especially at morning, is very nice. Let's go. So we're going down. How is your condition, honey?
Oh my god.
Sayang, I have an idea.
What?
How about if we're gonna climb the Mount Agung?
Oh my god, no.
Why not?
Come on. Walking in the Campuhan Walk,
Honey, but
just about 15 minutes and then we are already tired.
honey, but how about the challenge if from now in 1 year we're gonna hit 100,000 subscribers, we will, for celebrating 100,000 subscribers, we will climb. What do you think, honey?
I don't know, I will think about it.
Or at least one of us, okay? Maybe me.
Okay, I will think about it.
Comment below what do you think, guys. We are coming back to the parking area. If you're coming by bike, you can park here. Honey, are you okay?
is next to the school actually.
Yes, and the entrance on the road as I show you at the beginning. If you're coming by car, better leave your car on the main street. Should be fine. Take water with you. What else?
That's my breath.
Honey, you should more exercises. There behind me is the very nice old wooden bridge. This is the new bridge, this is the old bridge. Unfortunately it's closed. We cannot walk over there. I have to grab the Winnie hand when crossing the road.
Alright, maybe most of you are asking like why the Ridge Walk it's called Campuhan. Campuhan actually in Balinese words means like the spot where the two streams of river actually meet. So this is the spot, it's called Campuhan. As you see there are two streams and where it meets.
I just arrived back to the Ubud center and we're planning to go to Ubud Traditional Market because it's so many people over there, it's very worth to show. Actually previously I was planning to show you the Pura Sarasvati, but it's closed because I think when Starbucks is open the gate is also open to the Pura Sarasvati.
The gate is still closed.
Because gate is still closed. Anyway, it's really a lot of people in the traditional market, so I put my mask on and see you there. Just arrived. Actually on the street looks more busier when it's actually inside the market. However, it's definitely more alive than last time, right honey?
Yeah, so basically like Ubud Traditional Market is just like the normal traditional market. In the morning, you know, like they are selling fresh fruit, veggies,
Yes.
you know, offerings, flowers and everything in the morning. It's just like normal market, traditional market in the Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
They're selling fresh food and everything.
At morning, because afternoon in normal conditions is the like a merchandise market. However, it's not exist at the moment due to the current stuff.
So this is the situation in a Ubud Traditional Market actually. So as you see, like in the morning, you see many sellers, you know, selling a fresh food, and I bought my mangoes. So actually now is mango season, and per kilo actually around 8,000, and so I bought 2 kilos, which is 16k. I'm so happy with that. And then in the afternoon, as you see, this shop will change into souvenir shop. So I bought mangoes and what is it, markisa? Passion fruit. All of this one is around 40k both. So cheap.
Alright, we are in the room. Sayang is back to the bed. It's already a little bit messy. We will show you the room now, how it's look. We make a shot yesterday, actually, when it was still very beautiful and clean. And then I will show you the hotel around. And we will have a breakfast. Actually, breakfast is not included to the price of 25 bucks. But anyway, we will have a try of the breakfast over here because they have a very nice restaurant. Right, honey?
Yeah, and then if you stay here, you also have around, I don't know, discount how many percent, if I'm not mistaken, we will see.
Oh yeah, they have a discount. And also interesting fact, it's quite big terrace here, terrace, like a chair and sofa and this very nice thingy on the roof, making the fun, making the wind. It's very cozy place. However, one thing what I read, actually I didn't ask, but I'm pretty sure we need somewhere read, as this place you can rent monthly also, right? How much is it?
So per month, if you want to stay here, around 4 million next
4 million for the month stay, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah,
is
because
350 US. I will put here how much is in US, but only during this current condition, obviously, right?
Yeah, because they just opened like last month.
Yeah,
and
they
then
are.
when we go before in the morning, I saw some bulays also staying
Yeah,
here.
when we went at the
Okay.
morning was somebody living here
Yeah.
permanently. So yeah, anyway, we will show you outside and breakfast. So I think breakfast now, tour from last night when it was still beautiful and clean. Well, still is beautiful, but not a little bit messy. And then tour around the hotel. Hi, honey.
Hi. So this is our room actually. Just only $20. $25, and look at the facility. We have TV, and then we have a fridge here. Ooh, and then coffee kettle. I'll show you how. Oh, look at this one. The bedroom. Yeah, and here. Yeah, the balcony. So nice. And then now I will show you the bathroom. Ooh la la, look at the bathroom with the bathtub, toilet, and shower. This is brand new hotel, actually just opened last month. Yeah, and I don't know what to say. It's really worth it, you know. Whenever you go to Ubud, I think this is must be in your bucket list.
Worth to try.
Worth to try, actually.
Especially for the that. Worth to try.
Oh my god, the bed is so comfy.
Alright, we're gonna have a breakfast. This is the restaurant who belongs to this this hotel. They have a coffee machine, so I will have a cappuccino for sure. Winnie already chose the Instagrammable place, even she's not Instagrammable, but she's the vlogger with me, right? So the place where she sits is very important. I'm not really taking care of that, but yeah. And while waiting for breakfast, I will show you a little bit around. This is the small rice field. That's actually quite interesting because over there and here there are buildings. This is the resto. Very nice. It's brand new, brand fresh. Still, it's like super new. It's just 1 month old. Yeah, I will show you now first part of the hotel, how it's look like till the swimming pool. Swimming pool will show you later. Probably I will jump. Alright, as you can see, this place is very tranquil, very peaceful, very nice, very new, very fresh, obviously, very clean. Loads of banana trees, nice plants around, and some decorations.
Alright, so now we order breakfast actually. First of all, I have fruit, fresh fruit. And then I order a hot ginger tea.
How's your breakfast then?
Oh, la la. So I decided to choose mie goreng.
Like always.
Like always, mie goreng, nasi goreng. You know, like local tummy, no nasi, no noodle, no meat, it's no eating.
No eating.
So,
For me, more European.
ooh, la la.
Alright, so we are just after breakfast in this lovely place and we met our followers.
Oh my god, and this is a very good news actually. They come from Lithuania.
Lithuania.
I'm so sorry that I maybe
Sorry
miscorrect
guys,
spelling.
Lithuania.
Yeah, so they just come from Lithuania 2 months ago and then they passed the process, you know how the visa and everything.
With the small baby. That's huge respect
Can
for
you
me, you
imagine
know.
that? Oh my god.
So everything is possible, guys. Everything is possible, really.
If you want to
If
come
you
to
really
Bali,
want, it is possible. We are not joking on our videos as you can. We just like, it's possible. This is the real example.
Cheers.
Cheers.
good luck with exploring everything.
And how about you guys? Going to Nusa Lambona now, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
You will enjoy it for sure.
We will. Hope we will. Hi, honey. Jump.
On this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hi, honey.
Hi, honey. I
Oh my God.
That's my new friend.
So are you gonna jump on the duck?
I think so.
Hey, you have to see.
It's too small for me. I cannot sit on it. It's for kids, not me. Look, I'm fat.
Sit. Just like many famous Instagrammer.
Alright, so that's how it looks, the hotel, and today's vlog. Loud bikes.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today in Ubud is about weekend getaway in Ubud. So this is the current situation in Ubud actually. Yeah, I think that's all our video for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. See you, take care.